Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just click here and click task manager, type task manager and click on it. And now once you're here, just close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Right click on it, click end task, and that's it. After that, click here and close the applications, also the applications that you don't need. Right click, exit, right click, cancel, and that's it. After that, try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.